Namaste. Myself is Naresh Kumar Marwal from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I'm an assistant professor in computer science department. Today's session is based on e-commerce. In a today's life, we are very busy. We don't have time, but we have a lot of money. We don't have time for our health. We don't have time for shopping. If I'm talking about today's marketing, so 90% users use e-commerce website for marketing purpose, and you can say for shopping. Few websites everybody know, like Amazon, Amazon India, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Alibaba, Jabang, eBay India, Shopcluse or Amazon. These are the e-commerce website, and you can say very famous websites for e-commerce industry. So what is e-commerce? Why it is useful for us? This is really a beneficial for us. Actually, we have money, but we don't have time, and we are users. We need quality of service. So if I'm talking about quality of services and I have money, so I need a good product. If I'm talking about the offline marketing or offline business, so we need time and money both. If I want any particular product, I need to move one store to another store for buy a particular product, and it is not necessary I find the same product. Maybe I find its alternative, maybe copy of required product and anything else. But I'm talking about the e-commerce. I don't need to move store to store. If I'm use any e-commerce website, like if I'm using the Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, anything else, if I'm searching my product, then I found lot of results. Comparison of price according to product, according to company. This is not a single benefit according to quality of services. If anybody wants to establish our business in the e-commerce industry, or you can say online industry or offline industry, we find lot of differences between them. First, if you want to start your business offline, you need a very good space, a very good marketplace where you want to sell your product. You want a variety of product. You need target more than 10,000, 20,000 and above users. You need more money for establish your offline business. You need more connections. You need lot of things to establish, or maybe it is not necessary you get profit. Maybe it will take time, because if I'm talking about the business, the risk factor in a business, you can say it's 100%. Offline business will get benefits or profit maybe in after 6 months, 8 months or 10 months, or maybe a 1 year. But if I'm compare with the online business, then I'll find I need money, that's true, but I don't need space, more space. I don't need any commercial space. But if you're talking about the offline business, you need space, but it should be a commercial. You need time, you need place you want to sit. If you want to target your users, then in offline business it's specified. Yes sir, if I am working here, then I can target nearby. But I am doing a online business, so every user is my target. If I am talking about product, every company try to make best product, advertise at best level, trying to give best quality of services. But user really find that? User try to search those products that really best on quality of services, best in lowest price. What 90% users move because of discount, but this is not possible for every offline storekeeper. In every festival, online or e-commerce website give very good discount on every product, maybe on electronic, clothes, anything else. You find easily 20% discount on particular electronic gadget, 30% discount on particular branded shoes. So a lot of things they give to user, but in offline not possible. Why? Because in online they're listing lot of products and lot of variety of product, lot of variety of companies. But in offline not possible to store all type of variety, all type of product. That's why the online it is possible to give discount. Everybody is know about the internet, and if I am talking about today's scenario, everybody using internet very fast. If I'm doing any business by using the internet, by using the web, if I am give the services by using the internet, it is my e-commerce. For example, if I am transfer the money, this is a part of electronic. If I'm buying anything from any e-commerce website, if I am sell anything on any e-commerce website, this is also part of internet. So you can say without internet our life is not possible. Let's see few benefits about e-commerce website, why we are using, what are the services, what are the features of e-commerce websites. Let's see. These are the few features of e-commerce website. Non-cash payment. If suppose to I want to buy something from the e-commerce website, so what I need only search, log in and search and cart it and select only option, maybe cash on delivery or maybe e-payment. So if you are using the cash on delivery, the person will deliver your product, then you will give the money. Otherwise you have another option, you can use e-cash by using debit card, credit card, anything else. If I am talking about the services, then offline services is fixed. It means you can say it will give the services for 12 hours, 16 hours max to max. But if I am talking about the online services, 24/7 service available. It means you want to buy, sell anything else on internet or an e-commerce website, you can easily buy or sell anytime when you are free. But if you are offline business, if you are doing an offline business, so you need a specific time. So I am available on this time to this time, so we cannot move because we are faced. In online this is not necessary. If I'm talking about the advertisement marketing, because everybody is know the benefit of advertisement. If I'm talking about the advertisement cost in offline marketing and the online marketing, or the offline marketing is the more costly advertising point of view, but online, no, it is very cheaper than offline marketing. How? Because suppose to I want to advertise my product offline marketing. So first I need to create a very good banner. I need to search where should we place it. Then I need approval from Nagar Nigam, any authorized department. Then I'll advertise. Then I will advertise my product. Now I'm talking about the online marketing. I need only one single website. Only one single website. There I just mention my product, the features of product, benefit of product, rate, and all things that are related to product. The posting, I don't need any approval from the government. I need only one single domain for my website. And every user who use internet, if he or she can type your product name, then he will find that thing. Improve side, it means if your marketing is good and your product is better than other product, if you are established in a market, online as well as offline market, then you definitely improve yourself. Because every product have specific qualities, but you have to show in the front of user. If you show very well, then you will get good sell, good profit. If I'm talking about the support, because every product is not good on the point of view of quality of services. So if suppose to I buy something, this is defective product or something else, so I need to complain to company. So how can I complain? If I'm offline marketing, then okay sir, when executive will come, then I will give them your product, then I'll return it. But I'm talking about the online. You need to just type the mail and talk about what is the defect in your product. One person is coming at your home and return it. Is support, and it is also available both side, but frequently work in online marketing. In a online marketing, I'm talking about the product and products, quality of goods. If I'm talking about a single store, offline store, there is a lot of products you can say. But I'm talking about the online marketing, online store, or e-commerce store. Then I have more than 20, 50, 60, I don't know, but have products variety. If I am going to search single t-shirt, then I have different varieties. If I'm going to search shampoo on online, I have different variety. So I can say I have lot of inventory, how to manage it. So in a online, every inventory is managed easily. But how can it? Online, we are basically use inventory management system, in which we are manage every inventory at a specific time. It's supposed to uh, 2 days is demand is very high on a particular product or particular product. So uh, if I am a serviceman, if I am a service, if I am give the service, so it is my responsibility to identify those products that really demandable. So inventory management system, it basically give the alarm. Yes sir, this is a product, this is a quantity below than this. So it gives the alarm. So this is the product is below, maybe you can say 5 quality. This is a inventory management system. If I'm talking about the communication, if you target your user, if you cross your area, then you will definitely communication improve. The online business will give a lot of user. You can target any person, every person in a population, you can target easily. If I'm talking the specific area, then you will target a specific person, a specific user, a specific geographical area. So if you want to start your business in online or offline, then you have to consider those things. You want to profit in a specific time, you are ready to uh, you have passion for 1 year, 2 year for start your business, for getting profit from your business. Thanks.